How to create a Twitter account. So if you want to create a Twitter or X account, first of all you have to open up your Twitter application, which is also known as X. After opening your Twitter application, tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner. So after tapping on that icon, tap on create account. After tapping on create account, you could easily choose an email which you would like to use to create your account, or you can also tap on create account. After selecting your language, tap on next and select your preferred language. After selecting your preferred language, tap on next, and then in first blank you should enter your name, and in second blank you should enter your email, and in third blank you should enter your date of birth. So after entering everything, you should tap on next. After tapping on next, again tap on next and then sign up. So after tapping on sign up, your Twitter account will be logged in successfully. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.